Now let me introduce isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles are triangles that have at least two equal sides, like this triangle right here. These two sides are the same, this one and that one. And these little lines here, of course, indicate that these sides are the same. And isosceles triangle have one very important property. For the angles that are opposite to these sides, the angles are also going to measure the same. So this angle measures the same as that angle. The third angle won't be measuring the same as the other two unless it's an equilateral triangle. We're going to talk about that later. Alright, so let's say that, for example, this angle here measures 70 degrees. Because this is an isosceles triangle, these sides are the same, which makes these angles the same, or their measure will be the same. This will also measure 70 degrees. What about this angle right here? Well, we know that the sum of interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. So 70 plus question mark will equal 180. 70 plus 70 is 140, so we have 140 degrees plus question mark equals 180 degrees. So we can we can subtract 140 degrees from both sides of the equation. 180 minus 140 is just 40 degrees. So question mark here, this angle measures 40 degrees. Now let me give you another example. Let's say that we have this isosceles triangle, and we know it's isosceles because you see these two little lines here. So we know that these two sides are the same. And let's say that we have this angle right here measuring maybe 110 degrees. And we want to find the measure of these angles right there. Question mark and question mark. Actually, I'm going to call them X and X. They're the same, so I can call them both X. So X plus X plus 110 must equal 180, because the sum of interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. So X plus X is 2X plus 110 is 180. Now I can subtract 110 degrees from both sides of the equation. So we get 2X equals 70 degrees. Then we can just divide both sides by 2, and X is 35 degrees. Great, so now we know the measure of all angles in the triangle. So that's 35 degrees and 35 degrees. By the way, one rookie mistake that many students make is sometimes that they just assume triangles are isosceles. Like, oh, these sides look like they're the same, but we won't know for a fact that they're actually the same unless we really see little lines like this or like that. Then we can for sure know that these triangles are isosceles. So that's it.